Hey guys, Goat Mom here. We're back for a riveting episode of Phasmophobia. And I have Shiny Star with us, Night Cove the Fox.
Hello.
And I
Hi.
decided we're going to tackle the campsite. We wait for France now like we used to wait for Australia.
What are you doing over there?
What?
He's ripping up his grass mat.
Oh. Oh. Well, at least he likes it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It really is. Wow, that door was intense. Wow. Okay. Are you here?
It's like glitching. Let me just... There.
That's why I never choose this one. It always glitches for me. What is in the shower in here? Disgusting. Are you here? Oh, God. I hear footsteps. Are you here? Give us a sign. There's some toothpaste and a toothbrush. It's the first time I've noticed a toothpaste and a toothbrush on the sink at the camp bathroom. Are you here? Are you here? Oh, I think I found the generator. It's way over by where Slendy usually is. And it is going already.
The generator's already...
Yeah, I see that. Give us a sign. I should turn the lights on then. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? Are you here? Anybody see anything yet? Are you
Not
here?
yet.
The tents open so violently when you click on them. It's intense.
There's a Ouija board over here.
Really? Where are you
by the
at?
bathrooms in like the back hallway.
Oh, really? I missed it. I have a camera on me. Are you here? Alright, I'll come to you and get a photo at least. Where? Where's the Ouija board?
Back here.
I must have walked
It's
right
leaned
past
up
it.
right here.
Oh, did
Oh.
you hear that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Is that this light?
Maybe. I don't know, because it wasn't on that I know of. Oh, I hear a EMF. Do you hear an EMF going off?
Yeah, it's Adrian.
Are you here? Oh, wow. Where at? Over here?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Okay. Oh, that ball just moved. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Are you here?
about this guy.
Are you here?
I just got on this.
Are you here?
I'm
Uh-oh.
turning that light off. I can...
Oh, okay. I thought the ghost did it. So here, I'll shut my flashlight off too. Okay, I'm grabbing a thermometer and salt.
Oh, it just moved a shoe over here.
Really? Nice.
Yeah. I'm gonna see if I got the smudge objective.
Okay.
Oh, I guess I could check my journal for that, actually.
Can it be freezing when you're outside? This is a creepy tent. There's a lot of toys in there. I wonder if we should bring a cross over here just for funsies. Freddy? I'm scared.
Yes.
It is,
Hello.
it is only 47 right around this picnic table. Kind of, not really. Kind of by the soccer ball, it's 48. It's the coldest spot is right here.
Oh, okay, I got the smudge, so it's in front of whatever color that is, the yellow tent
Yellow?
right there.
Okay. That's where I'm
Yeah.
getting the coldest reading is literally the soccer ball.
I got a cross and a dots projector.
Okay, cool. Maybe I'll get some cameras going too. Come in with a tripod and another cross. My girl is extremely out of breath for a camper. She's hurting.
She don't do camp that much.
I know. Clearly. Coming back for my photo camera. Alright. How's it looking? Do we see anything interesting?
Nope.
Wow, a whole lot of nothing. Oh, there we go.
This one is perfect.
Yeah, it really is. Alright, we have like 3 cameras set up around this green light. Give us a sign. Are you here? Aha. We got
We
one.
have orbs in front of the tent.
Nice, we have a footprint. Alright. Are you here? Hell yeah, that's something at least. Oh yeah, I see them. Barely. Boy, you could barely see them. Okay, okay, so it's definitely that tent.
Write in the book or something.
Yeah.
Make the EMF go off.
Okay, I put a book inside the tent just to be different. Oh,
Okay. Oh, it's over here.
where?
It's right here. It was standing right here.
Really?
So it's a little further this way.
Okay.
But I don't think I got up to a 5.
Did I get the picture of the ghost? No. Darn it. Got an interaction. Shoot. Shucks.
Do it again.
I got 1 photo left on this camera roll, baby. Where you at?
Well, it's not cold.
How come we can have orbs over here, though? It's got to be closer to this tent. That must have just been where they were standing because, you know what I mean? There's a shoe right here, and it's where the orbs are. And we're
Yeah.
on amateur, so it can't move.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hey, that was my ear hole, bro. Rude. It was like specifically my right ear. Hey, why are you throwing shit? It's touching the tent cover.
Oh, I bet we have fingerprints. Do we have a thingy? Oh, sure. I
Where
just
are you
I
this time?
just set down my camera, bro.
Oh, look, it's right behind you. It's right in front of this purple tent now. It's right here.
Oh, I see it.
Hi.
Hey. My camera's way over here, of course. Do it again.
And activity spike to 8 for signal, then go back to 4.
Oh, we have writing.
Oh, good. Uh-oh, that's
And
a
that's a
hunt.
hunt.
Yes, it is. shit. Okay, I took one for the team.
Oh, no.
I saved your life. I'm happy with that. I got to save Night Cove's life. It was all worth it.
But we have writing.
Correct.
Okay.
So it can't be fingerprints. So it's Spirit Box or Freezing. Mare or Revenant. God, I'm a clompy ghost.
Are you here? How old are you? Are you a ghost?
I am. I'm a ghost.
I don't know what else to ask you. What's your favorite color? Hello? Okay, so we're not getting Spirit Box either, so... Oh. Oh, well, that was a fancy trick. Oh, never mind. It's because it's Mom. I was like, well, it rolled a ball and then it disappeared, so that was kind of cool. Which crossword, if either? Oh, neither of them did. Well, that's just asinine, isn't it? God, the flaps on these tents are so aggressive.
That's what I said.
Let's see. Fingerprints. Huh.
Oh, look at the
Well,
balls.
how
still going.
fun. Just throwing shit at me.
Yeah.
Are you here? This is your last chance. I'm walking away. Okay.
Just gonna pile stuff up over here.
I don't know. For some reason, I'm almost thinking it's a mimic because we definitely don't have freezing temperatures and we definitely don't have Spirit Box. So the only other thing it could be, well, but the mimic isn't an option because we have ghost writing down. Or
Yeah.
what?
I'm gonna go with Spirit Box.
How is it not an option? Because the whole point... I don't know, man. Maybe I'll just guess Revenant and call it a day. And if it's a mimic, then I'll be mad about it.
I'm guessing Revenant.
Do it.
Alright. Well,
Come on, Mare. I'm gonna
should
go
have got a
with Mare.
picture of her dead body.
Oh, that'd have been nice. Oh.
Hey, look at that.
I had Revenant and I put Mare at the last minute because I was like, maybe we just didn't get Ghost Box. Shoot.
So it was freezing temperatures somewhere within that strip.
That's exactly what I thought
Interesting.
because it got down to like 42 at one point. So.
Oh, you actually get it.
Oh, that was very hard.
Rest
Wow.
in peace, God, Mom.
Yeah, right? It's okay. It was so worth it because it was chasing us. So I followed Night Cove and stayed right behind her because I heard it coming behind us. And I was like, I'm going to block. And it came up and I was like, I hear it. And then I thought I lost Night Cove. And then I turned to the left and Night Cove was right there, still walking really fast away. And so I just stood there and it got me. It was like, woof, and it got me. I was like, all right, it was worth it. It was a worthy death.
I saw you disappearing on the map and I was like, oh, someone died. And
Yep.
then I look at the sanity and I saw you with a question mark and I was like, oh, God,
Yep,
I'm dead.
I'm dead.
Yep.
That's a very hard map.
Yeah, and a very creepy one.
Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks, Night
Yeah.
Cove. Thanks, Shiny Star.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Y'all stay in
Thanks
the
for having
light.
us.
Yeah, stay in the light.